I'm going to show you how to use the Todoist Chrome extension and the add-on for Gmail. Pretty easy to install them. All you have to do is come over here to the gear icon, and then you're going to go to Apps, and you're going to do More. And we're going to look for a browser extension for Chrome. So we'll go ahead and download that. It'll take us to the Chrome Web Store. We can add it to Chrome, just like anything else. We're going to add the extension. And now it's been added. So what we can do is we can go to any particular website. So right now I'm going to go to the Nawaka training website that we have. So here's the training website. And then when I come over here to the add-on, I can click on it and I have a couple of options. First off, I can see my whole to-do list. So I can actually get through here while I'm in Chrome and look at what I have to do. It's pretty sweet. Or I could come up here and add a task. And there's a button here that says add website as task. So when I add the website as the task, I could say something like, make sure training website is up to date. And then when I hit the add task button, what will happen is it'll actually put that in there, and then the link right here is the link to that training website. So that's how you use the extension for Google Chrome. All right, for the Gmail add-on, all you have to do is go into your Gmail account, and under the settings menu, you'll go to settings, or actually get add-ons is right there. So I'm going to get add-ons, and I'm just going to search for Todoist. Make sure you type Todoist and not to-do list. There's Todoist. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to install the add-on. And then I have to add some permissions here. So first off, I'll have to log into my Gmail, and then I'll have to allow all these permissions, which is fine. Now I'll confirm my choices and hit allow. And now Todoist is right into my email. Okay, so now it's actually sitting over here on the right side, and so I can always get to it. So it's loading in right now, and so we see those dots that are going there. So now it's there. When I click on Todoist, I actually have to have an email open to do anything with it. So here's a message about our tech leaders meeting. So when I click that, I can hit the to-do icon, and then we'll have to log in at first, so I will go ahead and log in with Todoist. It's logged me in. And now I can add this email as a task. I can put it to a project. I can put it right in there. So here's the content, and I'm going to hit add task. And now I can view my task in Todoist. And what you'll see once it loads in here is I actually have the mail message right here. So if I click the little link here, it'll actually open Gmail, and it'll put me right with the mail that I want to have to refer back to that task. So kind of like the Google Task does, but this works much, much better.